What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making a pomegranate and purple cabbage salad that's not only like a great last minute Thanksgiving side, but also a fresh fall salad that would be a perfect addition to any dinner. Throw this together in 10 minutes and have a beautiful, colorful salad to add to your meal. As always, I'll have the recipe and ingredients in the description box below. The first step is to candy some sunflower seeds. In a pan over medium heat, add some sugar to your sunflower seeds and stir them around. When you see the sugar starting to melt, start stirring again to make sure all the seeds are covered in the sugar. Toast them for a minute or two until the seeds are a light golden brown and they smell really good. Then let them cool completely. You're also gonna have to seed a pomegranate. I used to hate doing this because it took forever, but I actually found a really easy way to do this in under 5 minutes. Cut your pomegranate around the middle, making sure to only really cut the skin. Pull it apart and then hold it over a wooden bowl and use a wooden spoon to start whacking at it. The seeds should start to fall out right into your hands and then you can drop them into the bowl. Next, you'll need to cut a Granny Smith apple into matchsticks. The Granny Smith is not only tart and refreshing, but the pop of green looks really nice in the salad. Thinly slice up some purple cabbage and add it to a big bowl. Add in some apple, pomegranate seeds, the juice of 1 to 2 lemons depending on how tart you like it, some pepper and salt, and some sugar. Mix it all up and you can serve it immediately, but I kind of think it's better if it sits in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. To serve, sprinkle some of the candied sunflower seeds on top and enjoy. This salad is so zesty and refreshing, and it's just a great addition to like all these heavy, rich meals that we're eating once it gets cold. Try it today and let me know what you think. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.